This might be the best electric toothbrush on the market. I've partnered with Laifen Wave and used their brand new Laifen Wave electric toothbrush for almost a month now, and here is my experience. I know I usually talk about phones on this channel, but the fact that I'm talking about an electric toothbrush, that speaks volume of how much I've enjoyed using this product. Let's start off with unboxing. So right off the bat, you can tell how well this thing is packaged. Once you open the box, you are greeted with some paperwork, magnetic fast USB-C charging cable, 3 brush tops, and the arm which has all the groundbreaking tech. Alright, let's cut to the chase. What makes Laifen Wave Toothbrush so special compared to a traditional electric toothbrush? I would say in my personal usage, there are 5 major things that stand out. Starting off with the proper deep cleaning thanks to 66,000 max vibrations per minute, which is just absolutely insane, much more than a traditional toothbrush, along with 60-degree oscillation, which is 3 times wider than other brands. Because of this, it performs more professional level of cleaning, elevating your dental game effortlessly. Just so you know, a traditional electric toothbrush only does 20 of oscillation, so you're getting a lot more of a deep cleaning done with the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. Now you might be thinking, why does it have 60-degree oscillation range? Well, this is the dentist recommended range for base brushing method. Because of this, it does a lot better job at removing plaque compared to traditional electric toothbrush, as well as keeping your teeth and gums healthy. And don't worry if your gums are a little sensitive, because the bristles on the brush are actually extra soft, coming at 0.02 millimeter, making sure that they're smooth and comfy on your gums. I also love the design of this product. I think it's one of the best designed electric toothbrushes on the market. We get 3 exciting colors to choose from. They have used very premium materials like stainless steel and aluminum alloy, making it far more premium than my older toothbrush. But that's not the best part. The best part is that this design has no gaps, which means there is literally no dirt accumulation when you use this, something that I've experienced quite a lot with my older electric toothbrush, so this one just stays pretty neat. And in terms of the size, it's actually a bit smaller compared to other toothbrushes, making it kind of perfect for traveling. It's also vertically IPX7 waterproof, which means even when you're using it, it is water resistant up to 1 meter. Now, even though it's just an electric toothbrush, you get a magnetic Type-C charging cable with it that is actually a better quality cable than most cables that come out of a smartphone box. Just like my MacBook Pro, it has a magnetic connector that provides a very satisfying experience when charging, which also helps prevent any dust and moisture entry. The cable itself is also braided for extra durability. And last but not the least, Laifen Wave Toothbrush offers quite a bit of customization thanks to the customizable brushing app. You have 3 settings with 10 levels of customization for custom vibration levels, custom oscillation levels, even a custom speed, giving you a full control over your electric toothbrush. While these features are great, my personal favorite one has to be the flight mode. With my old electric toothbrush, oftentimes because of accidental touch, it would actually start up in my luggage, completely draining the battery. But now with Laifen Wave Toothbrush, that problem is finally fixed thanks to a flight mode. This mode allows you to avoid any accidental mistouches while storing or carrying the toothbrush, hence preventing any undesired power drain. You can start using your toothbrush again once you disable the flight mode. So overall, these features have definitely helped make my experience quite fun. It's definitely not an ordinary toothbrush at all. And to top it all off, it's actually very well priced in my opinion, considering the package you're getting. Plus, they're offering 10% discount along with 30 days of money back guarantee. All in all, Laifen Wave Toothbrush has to be my favorite toothbrush that I've tried so far on the market. Always remember, if you're looking to improve your oral health, it all starts with your toothbrush. From amazing deep cleaning features like 60-degree oscillation to a very thoughtful waterproof design with no gaps, a built-in flight mode, fast magnetic charging, plus so much customization compared to a traditional electric toothbrush, I've got to say Laifen Wave is, for me personally, a massive upgrade. I'm very curious to hear your thoughts on the Laifen Wave Toothbrush. Which color do you like the best, as well as which feature has surprised you the most? Drop your comments below, and thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.